Hey man, say man, it's your boy Tayqueestv. I'm back with another video. And today's video, as you see in the title, I'm gonna be getting y'all some free sauce on how to go to broke to rich. Now, when I say rich, I don't mean like, nigga, you finna wake up tomorrow and you finna have $10 million in your bank account, cause that's not true. This is just a title, this is just YouTube, but I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get some money, how to, what direction to go, what investments to do, what ideas on motion, bro. I'm gonna give y'all some great advice, some free game. I'm not here to sell y'all no bullshit or sell you a dream. But yeah, let's get straight in the video, you feel me? But first thing first, before I start anything, bro, make sure you leave a like on this video and a subscribe, bro. Because first, the like gonna push this video to other people, and then everybody gonna get the free sauce, you feel me? So be a real nigga, like the video, subscribe so you can get more content like this, as well as I'm gonna scratch y'all back by giving y'all free game, bro. Y'all scratch my back by giving me a subscribe so we can grow this channel, you feel me? But yeah, off the rip, we're gonna jump straight into it, bro. So first thing first, I'm gonna be giving y'all a few streams of income, how to get some money, bro. First thing first on this list is automated YouTube, bro. Now, well, you might not know what automated YouTube is. You might. I said you might not. You might or you might not. So I'm gonna break it down like this. Now, those, you know, them late nights where you can't sleep and YouTube recommend one of them 10-hour rain videos, or you scrolling on YouTube, you see Boondocks 24-hour live stream, or you on YouTube and you scroll on YouTube shorts and you see Family Guy clips. Like, these videos, these type of content is automated YouTube. Like bro, you no face, no anything, you just re-uploading and repurpose this content and you get profit from it. So how I started off in this venture was one of my first channels. I'm gonna talk about 3 channels I done had personally. One of my first channels, I'm trying to get the order right. Okay, one of my first channel was I was posting videos like 10-hour Drake videos, or 10 hours of chill Drake, 10 hours of this, 10 hours of that, and like Young Boy, all type of shit. One of them channels, boom, you get monetized quick. So you need 1,000 subscribers to get monetized on YouTube, as well as I think 4,000 watch hours, and I don't think it's a view cap on it anymore, but 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers is how you get monetized on YouTube. Now, all I was doing is just re-uploading content that didn't belong to me. All I was doing was looking through I had a Drake playlist. I was just looking through the Drake playlist, like boom, I like these 10, we're gonna put these 10, boom, upload on YouTube, bro. Just downloading the videos off YouTube and re-uploading them. That simple, bro. The second channel I had, I put in a little bit more work on this channel. So I had a slowed and reverb channel. What I was doing on this channel was I would take a song, slow it down, put a reverb on it, re-upload the video. And there's a big audience of people who, I listen to slowed and reverb music. It's like chopped and screwed back in the day, but I'm telling you, bro, these good ways, like you're not putting in no face, no anything. You don't have to talk to nobody, like any type of shit, bro. Like, it's just an easy way to make the YouTube money without being a YouTuber per se. So automated YouTube is definitely a great way to get, you feel me, a little money in your pocket without having to put your face, the social anxiety. Everybody not a talker, bro. Me personally, I'm a to myself ass nigga, but like, I feel like I'm also sociable. I have the ability to be sociable. I just rather not be, but it hit different. So second thing on my list, bro, I want to get into is starting a clothing brand. Now I have a clothing brand. Hold on. Only reason I got this jacket on is because this is my 3rd video I recorded today. Grind don't stop, it different. Steve's Club. But yeah, I got a clothing brand myself. And it's a great way to, 1, express yourself. 2, put that shit on for a reason. Like, most people put that shit on for no reason, bro. You spending money, wasting money. You getting fly for no reason, bro. Now, you got a clothing brand, you a brand yourself, you pushing your image, you can push your image. You pushing your image is promoting your brand, bro. Just like anything, bro. You pushing your image, you promoting your brand, just like being a rapper, bro. Nigga, they see you with all the fast cars, you rapping what you live, they see you rap what you live, you gonna get bigger and bigger. Like, lifestyle, clothing, fashion is the same thing, bro. It's a great way to express yourself, great way to make money, and it's a $1 billion industry. Now, what does that mean? A $1 billion industry is so much money in that shit for everybody, bro. Now, if you was to make 0.01%, of that $1 billion industry, you would have $100,000 a year. Now, that's not even 1%. It's not half. It's not 0.5. It's not half percent. 0.01% of that money, you will have $100,000 a year, bro. And that's, if that money don't sound good, that motion don't sound good, I don't know what will. You feel me? Now, another thing I want to get into off the piggyback of fashion is beauty. Now, why do I say beauty? Because one, I think 63% of all consumers are women. It might be 68 or 63. One of them two. And two, nigga, every product, every piece of your body, your face, everything, from whether it's eyes, ears, lashes, like, you got the lashes, you got the makeup, you got the lipstick, the lip gloss, you got the pimple popper, the pimple creams, you got the everything, bro. You got everything possible for this industry to be, like, it's $1 billion industry, bro. Just the way I explained for clothing, bro. It's $1 billion industry, and how you can capitalize off that industry to make a lot of money, bro. So I definitely look at that way. As well as content, bro. Content, like I said, automatic YouTube, where you're an influencer on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Content, lifestyle content is a great way to push your message, whatever message you got. With, like me, this message, I'm pushing financial literacy. I'm pushing being a hustler. I'm pushing putting that shit on and being fly without being in the streets, without doing none of that stupid, goofy shit. Cause I done seen niggas crash out. I done been with the crash outs. I done hung around the crash outs. I've been a crash out at some point. That ain't shit, ain't worth the game. Let's go get some money. Let's go hustle now. Content is a great way to get into the game, bro. Like, whatever business you have, if you posting content, you providing towards that route. So those are just a few ways to get money. Now, I'm finna get into the meat and potatoes, because this is what really is gonna separate you from the next person. It's your mindset, bro. Now, if you're willing to work hard, put your mind in everything, bro. Like me, I say this a lot in my videos, bro. This is how I learned dedication and grind. Cause nigga, I remember them days. I remember, nigga, when I was in middle school, bro, I was a B team football quarterback. Now it's 3 teams: A team, B team, and C team. I was a B team quarterback, bro. I remember that I cried to my mama, nigga. I played football my whole life, bro. And I ended up getting to a school, they put me on B team to play quarterback, bro. It hit different. But what I do, I could have quit. My mama and pops was not gonna let me quit, my nigga. But nigga, what I do, I grinded, bro. I switched positions too. I ended up playing safety. And I ended up, what I do with that, I ended up getting 7 offers to play at the next level. I ended up going to Southwestern and being able to further my career, being able to, you feel me? Alright, boom, my camera battery died, but I was talking about the mindset part of it, bro. Me, bro, I learned the mindset for football, grinding, all that shit. I already explained that shit, but boom. What I'm saying is, bro, you gotta have 2 things. You gotta be humble. You gotta humble yourself to know you're not really where you want to be in life yet. Because if you was, you wouldn't be watching this video. You wouldn't be on the grind. You would be sitting back chilling in a different country or some shit, bro. So you gotta have the mindset to separate yourself from people who don't got the same mindset, not in the same time as you. You might gotta sacrifice friends, good times, like, you don't always gotta go out, bro. Because you're not saving money by going out every opportunity you got, bro. You might sacrifice friends. They on the same time you on, bro. They not really trying to get no emotion. They focus is not there, bro. They can still be your friends, bro. But fuck with them when you can fuck with them, bro. Because you gotta focus on, lock in on what you got going, bro. As well as, bro, like, can't take everybody with you, bro. It hit different. That's life, gang. But yeah, mindset is everything, bro. You gotta have the durability. Like, you meant to be strong, to be durable. Like, when shit not going good, shit not going your way, you gotta be able to have that mindset where, like, shit, we're gonna make it through the storm, bro. And keep working, keep grinding, keep doing whatever you're doing to get where you need to be, bro. And last, bro, you need financial literacy now. Like, financial literacy is important because, like, you can make $1 million, but if you spend $1 million, you broke again, like, right after that. So it's not just about saving money. It's about reinvesting your money for your money to make money off itself. Now, what do I mean by this? If you got a business, you invest into that, you invest in your brand, whatever you're doing, that's an investment. You doing a good job in terms of financial literacy. Now, if you just doing shit just to get fast money, bro, and you just hope to think you like fast money ain't good money, I learned, bro. Learn that, bro. Fast money ain't good money, because fast money gonna get spent fast, and there ain't nothing to gain from that, bro. Now, if you invest in, whether it's business, crypto, any type of investment, bro, even if you decide to save your money because you don't want to risk putting in an investment, bro, stack that shit, work your ass off, bro. Cut off people from around you, bro. Be smart with your money, bro. Sacrifice going out all the time. Sacrifice motherfucking, if your bitch burn a hole in your pocket and you can't afford a bitch, bro, or you feel me? Like, don't let nobody take advantage of you, bro. Don't let none of that shit, bro. Lock in with yourself, on yourself, bro. Grind to the end, bro. Mom said everything. Grinding. You gotta be strong mentally, bro. You gotta be there for your, pick yourself up when nobody else. Even days you don't want to do some shit, don't want to grind, like no motivation, bro. That's when it matter the most, bro. And it be the little things, bro. You might think, oh, I don't gotta worry about that. You push it off, bro. A week later, you still ain't moved the muscle, bro. It hit different. That's just how life go, bro. I'm here to give y'all free game. I definitely got more videos like this on my channel. Go check them out, as well as I got more content like this on the way. So let me know how y'all feel about this video in the comment section. If you made it to this point in the video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. It's your boy Tayqueestv. I'm out.